A lot of times people will ask me why do I need crowns and what can they correct? Over time, a lot of people will wear down their teeth. A third of the population bruxes. That means they grind their teeth. No longer do they have teeth that they can sufficiently eat with. By restoring your tooth with the crown, we're able to put the anatomy back in there and able to make it possible for you to be able to eat properly. A lot of times through attrition, your bite will close and you won't be able to chew very well. So we'll put multiple crowns in a person. Sometimes what happens, a person will lose a tooth and we'll actually put a mini implant in there, and then we'll restore it with a single tooth so they have it back to their natural art. Unfortunately, some people will lose all their teeth and they'll ask, what can I do? Here's a great example of putting 6 or 7 implants in an arch and fastening a whole bridge, an entire bridge, back onto that arch, which is just as solid as can be, and you're able to chew and have beautiful aesthetics. And those are reasons why we'll do crowns, so people can once again not only pleasantly look nice, but be able to function normal again.